easy flourless chocolate chip cookies. So what you'll need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way banana protein powder. You can also use vanilla for this one. I'm going to be using about 1/2 cup of natural peanut butter. I've got 2 overripe bananas, which I'm going to mash, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, and 1 cup of rolled oats. So what we need to do is first mash our bananas in a bowl and then add in the remaining ingredients. We're then going to roll them into little balls, about a tablespoon amount, pop them onto a lined baking tray, flatten them down a little bit, and then pop them into the oven to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes.